KR Pura Whitefield Metro line is set to open on 25th March this Saturday. Meanwhile, BMRCL has decided to change the name of 6 metro stations due to public demand.
Before inauguration,
KR Puram to Krishnarajapura or KR Pura. KR Puram was changed to KR Pura to have Kannada pronunciation of the station name. Mahadevapura to Singayappanapaಳ್ಯ. The station's location was Singayappanapaಳ್ಯ and not Mahadevapura, hence changed. Hudi Junction to Hudi. The name was changed because Hudi Junction was 640 meters away from the metro station. Hence the name was changed to Hudi Station. Kadugodi to Kadugodi Tree Park. The name was changed due to close proximity of metro station to Tree Park. Channasandra to Hope Farm Channasandra. The name was changed due to close proximity to Hope Farm. Whitefield to Whitefield Kadugodi. Even though the station is next to Whitefield railway station, the area is Kadugodi. Hence, to avoid confusion, the metro station is renamed as Whitefield Kadugodi. The remaining 6 stations, namely Garudacharpaಳ್ಯ, Sitaramapalya, Kundalahalli, Nallurahalli, Sri Satya Sai Hospital and Pattanduru Agrahara, have remained unchanged. Due to the renaming of the stations, it will avoid confusion among travelers and it will ease their commute. Hope you liked the video and stay tuned for more such updates on Bengaluru Metro. Also, subscribe for more such amazing content. Thank you.